When I got here, the floor that we had in here was like exposed aggregate that was from the 1970s, and it was dirty and gross. We just needed to fix up the lobby. When we had contacted KHB, we had contacted a bunch of different companies, and the recommendations that we got from the other companies may have been cheaper at a point, but it became very apparent that if we had gone with someone else and the process that they wanted to go through, the floor wouldn't have been done in the right way, and we would have had problems. Ben told us what we needed as opposed to what we wanted to hear. It leads to a high amount of trust, and you feel so much better about the product that you're getting. In our conversations, it was clear that he knew his stuff, and then when we actually got into the project, it was constant communication. This is what we're doing, this is who's coming. Right here in the lobby, they put down self-leveling cement and then went through and covered it all with the vinyl. And then in the auditorium where we had the carpet replaced, it was exactly what we wanted. We wanted a new looking theater that was clean and beautiful and classy and well done. It's like the whole vibe of the lobby had changed because all of a sudden we had gone from kind of old and decrepit to new and clean and nice, and people loved it. I would say call KHB because they care, they do great work, and they're very communicative. And I always knew where I stood and what the next part of the process was.